What's up, guys? Wanted to make a very quick video. For instance, let's say if we're putting in a stop limit order, and I didn't want to go over here and type in the price here and then type in another price there. You literally could just go here and double click, and you can see how the price just popped up here. Let's try it again. Double click, and you can see how the price popped up there. So how do you do that? Basically, you're going to your configure settings, and then over here where it says double click the trade, you're gonna click that and hit OK. Once you do that, you're able to just bum. You see what I'm saying? Bum. There you go. So I hope you guys got some value out of that one, and hopefully it saves you guys a little bit of time. So again, just double click wherever you need to get in, like that. Bam, the price is there. And then hopefully that saves some time versus typing this or doing this and doing that and then coming over here doing it again. So this, you could just double click, bam, and then type in whatever you need to go here, and you're good to go. All right, hope you guys got some value out of this one. Again, like and subscribe. I don't post a lot of videos, but it's just because I'm not really a YouTube guy. I'm not really a YouTube person. I try to post videos here and there, but at the end of the day, I'm not really a social media kind of guy. But I do what I can to help everyone out. So if you guys have any questions, comment below. If you need me to do any tutorials on anything, just comment below. But me personally, like, I'm still doing what I do and I love what I do. So, I just don't post a lot of videos like I should. But again, if you guys want me to post something or have specific questions, go ahead and comment below and I'll be happy to do it. All right. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Again, like, subscribe, and share. All right. Talk to you guys soon.